Hey y'all, it's your girl Ray, but you should already know that. So, today I'm going to be showing you all how to get this super duper warm, glitzy, glam, easy makeup look. I used the Morphe 3503 palette to create this look. So, if you would like to see how I got this, you already know. Stay tuned. So taking the Crown C441 brush, it's a pro blending brush apparently. I'm going to be taking this color in the Morphe 3503 palette as my transition shade. I don't really know how to describe that color. I guess I would call it like a orangey maroon or something, like a brick color. I don't know. So I'm gonna take this and place this all over my lid. Oh, it's kind of uncomfortable. I need to back my seat up. There we go. I'm gonna take this and put it all over my lid. I have tape on my lid right now also, just to keep a clean shape. So starting low, and I'm gonna work my way up. I don't know if y'all noticed, but it's a different scenery this time. We in my bedroom, so we here where all the magic happen. Get it nice and intimate, you know. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, I'm not, but I am. But I'm not, but I am. Anyway, never mind. So I'm not gonna take this eyeshadow and drag it too far in my inner corner like I normally would. I'm mostly concentrating this in the back and of course in the lid. So I'm gonna do a little diffusion. I do want this to come to the front, but as you see, like this inner corner, I'm kind of avoiding it. So once I get this down to my liking, I can jump to the next color. Because as you see, this palette, like this color already, it just blends seamlessly. You don't really have to do much. Like, ooh, didn't even have to try. I can pretty much jump into my next color, but I'm not going to. I want to build this up a bit more. I want it to be a lot more pigmented. So whenever I go to throw in my next color, it just smooths right on in like butter. So yeah, putting a little bit near that tail. There we go. I really wanted something that matched my hair. That was kind of my inspiration. Because this whole time I've had these braids in, I have not done anything that truly matched the hair. And I was trying to, and I kept failing. But I don't know why I forgot I had this palette. I do that with every palette I own. I go buy everything that comes out and then look at it for one day and be done with it. After I just had a whole, oh, gotta have it, attack over it. So to move on to my next color, I want to add in some dimension. As you see, I got some browns and some magentas and stuff going on. You know, I wanted this to be warm but still be natural. Yes. So next color I'm going to jump into to deepen up my crease is going to be this little burgundy looking such and such and don't know. This is a Coastal Scents number 7 brush. It's like a shader brush or a packing brush, but it only says 7 and that's my favorite number. Packing this in my outer V. I'm also concentrating this in the back. I'm not really trying to push it too forward to the front, but just enough so that whenever I lay my glitter down, it has something to really stand out in front of, you know? So I'm just tapping that, not going too high, still staying in region. Yes, yes. Now I'm gonna go back with the fluffy brush and take that brick color again because it seems like it's starting to get a little harsh where that little burgundy is. And I'm just gonna soften that back up so everything blends nicely. Soft, 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 soft. Tap, tap, tap. Y'all know my jam. Tap, 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 tap. One day I'm gonna learn the words. It just isn't gonna be today. So now that I have that going on, I'm going to go in with another blending brush, but this one is tapered. This is a Morphe E28, one of my favorite series. The brushes are so dense, yes. I'm going to take this really deep chocolate right down here, and I'm going to also pack that in the outer V. We're going for a lot of drama, but at the same time, we want to be like, no, I'm not that fiery. I'm still a sweet girl. So keeping it in the back. And I'm just gonna ever so casually blend that forward. It's kind of like creating like a wing shape up against this tape. Nice. This is like a really simple, quick, easy look. So anybody can do it. It's no pro. You don't have to be a pro. So finally, the last color I'm going to take is going to be in my, well, not the last color, but my last matte color. I'm going to take this fiery engine looking orange right up in here, and I'm going to pack that in that space where I was leaving it pretty much kind of empty. So I'm using the same brush for this, and I'm just going to pack that right on in there, all up in that tear duct, all up in there. Ooh, that is such a cute color, like, yes. Going up near the brow also. What am I doing with my hand? I don't know. I'm so weird. Like, put your hand down. Okay. I wish I would have recorded this yesterday when my bed was extra neat. But I'm not going to sit here and act like this is not still impressive for myself, for my room to be looking this good right now. So I'm going to accept it. Because it's a pleasure for y'all to be in my room. Anyway. Just yanking y'all's legs. I'm childish. So now, since I have so much concealer on the back of my hand, I'm going to take some of this LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can use whatever shade you like. I use almond because that's what I use to clean my brows up with. And I'm not going to do a cut crease, but just the lid area. So I'm only going to tap it up in there. And I'm not going to create a new crease. Like I said, I'm not doing a cut crease, so I'm staying in my area where my eye is, and I'm just gonna take a brush that is dense to kind of blend that out so that it's not harsh. So just to, disperse the edges a little bit so that I can put my lid color on. I don't want to go too high because I want to be able to still see this lovely brown I got going on. Right. Nice, nice. So now that I have my lid primed and prepped, I'm going to take two shimmers from this palette. First, I'm going to go in with this one right here, this orangey looking color, coppery, and then I'm going to go in with this one right here, which is kind of like a regular gold, I guess, but not really. I don't know. I'm going to put both of those on. First, starting with the coppery one, I'm going to go closer on the outer end. Ooh, that color is gorgeous. Yes. Yes, honey. And now for the regular gold looking color in the inner front, inner corner. And I'm not getting super duper duper neat with this inline because, like I said, I don't want this to be it's not like a cut crease. I mean, it is, but it ain't. It is, but it ain't. Yeah. So now that I have that going, I'm going to jump into some eye candy glitter. This is the color Yellow Melon. Like I said, this is moving quick. This is such a simple look. Whenever you just want something warm but still a little smoky or dramatic, that's what you do. So NYX glitter glue, I'm going to tap this on my lid. Anywhere where you want that glitter to go, just do a little tapping. My fingernails have been broken for like a month, so I've been taking advantage of my fingers because usually they be growing so long I can't even do this. So I'm happy. I'm happy sad. Happy sad. And I've been braiding people's hair quite fast since my nails are broken too. Shoot, even my hair. So taking the glitter, just gonna go ahead and, of course, sit there right on up in there. Give me a nice little razzle dazzle. Okay, this glitter on this eye is screaming, but it wasn't screaming on this one. So now I'm gonna have to make it scream over there too. One side can't be going to the club and the other one just chilling, on a nice day. Cause you see it screaming. Okay, maybe I should scream a little bit on both eyes. Did that help? Not really, a little bit. You know what? It's none of my business. It's not. God didn't want both my eyes to scream, so I'm not gonna force it. So now I'm gonna take my NYX lash glue. I was gonna say lash glue. I mean eyeliner. I was gonna say glitter glue. See, I can't even think. Gonna just do a basic line. I ain't gonna wing it out today like I normally would. I wanna, but I'm trying to be a little bit simple too. So this is beginner friendly. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. Because people tell me I don't do enough of that, I guess. I don't know. Just trying to give y'all what y'all want. And today I'm recording with my ring light, so that's why also I guess the position of the camera is a lot different. It's not super close in my face. I'm still figuring that one out because I think I need y'all to be closer. Bear with me. I don't know. Your girl is trying. I have glitter all over my face. So this finished this this finished the look. I'm just gonna pop on some of this mascara and of course my lashes and face. But first, bow, bow, bow. Aw, dag nabbit. See, I got these shaky, extra jittery hands. When stuff like this happen, I be deciding like, should I just make it a mole or, you know, do I fix it? Do I take off the whole look? Like, what do we do? But anyway, let's hope I don't rip off my edges because I'm kind of close. There we go. Oop, there we go. Yeah, we so cute. So I'm gonna go and do my foundation off of camera and pop on some of these lash babies and show y'all the completed look. Yeah. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We're in a new setup, so I'm gonna figure this out. The lighting in here is off the Sha-bang, though, I will say that. So for sure I'm gonna stay up here, but I need to figure out how to get y'all closer so y'all can really get the deets and, you know, really see what I'm doing. But, you know, I feel like we're off to a good start already this new year. I got some new tricks up my sleeve. Can't wait to show y'all. So, of course, please like, comment, and subscribe. Give your girl some suggestions if you want to see other things. And if you have tips or anything that can help me, help you, help me, help you again, let me know. But let me get up close so y'all can see this, because this look right here, is something. It's so glowy. Because mine. So warm, so sexy, so fierce with a little bit of glitter, not too much, a little glitz, a little glam. Yeah. Okay. Bye, y'all.